Our weather team has been saying Long Island was really in the bullseye of the storm. We want to take you live there now.
Jennifer Bisram live in Bethpage. And Jen, what's it looking like out there?
Hi, Jess and Cindy. Well, take a look for yourself. It's just white snow here, right? A lot of whiteout conditions, treacherous roadways. And Jess, to your point, according to the National Weather Service, it said Long Island received anywhere from 14 to 20 inches of snow. That's just around 9 o'clock, the estimation at that point. But, we drove here all morning driving along the roadways, and we did see a lot of people listening and staying home and staying off the roadways. Now, where exactly we are right now, we're in Bethpage along Hempstead Turnpike here, right outside of the Embassy Diner. This is one of the diners in town that are open for all the first responders, those folks that are cleaning out the snow for us and keeping us safe. So that is where we are right now. But I also want to bring in somebody who can talk a little bit more about the roadways and the conditions right now. We've got the town supervisor for Oyster Bay, Joseph Saladino. And you were talking to me off camera about this being one of the worst storms that you have seen since you have been the town supervisor. Talk to us about that.
That's exactly right. I've been town supervisor in the town of Oyster Bay, which goes from the North Shore and the Long Island Sound to the Atlantic Ocean. I've been here 9 years, by far the worst one that we've had to deal with. So it is critical that people stay home. They have to understand this is extremely dangerous. I saw 2 accidents driving here on the way. People shouldn't be on the road. The roads are just for emergency responders, our essential employees, and that's it. Bruce Blakeman, our county executive, called that order, and it's really too dangerous to even be out shoveling yet. Wait till the afternoon when the snow stops.
You did have some advice for those who are shoveling, though, right?
Very important that you take it slowly. You don't want to have a cardiac episode or back pain. This snow is very heavy and it's very, very deep.
And this snowblower, you mentioned how should we position the snow blowers after we're done?
So we have at least a couple of days of snow plowing and snow clearing. Residents can help out no matter where you live. If you're using a snow blower or you're shoveling snow, throw it back onto your lawn, not into the street. That creates a problem where the snowplow drivers are constantly battling back and forth with that snow. And otherwise, be patient. Schools may be closed tomorrow as well. Many of our programs will be closed tomorrow as well. Stay in, watch CBS, and stay off the road.
Don't you just love someone who actually says watch CBS, guys? All right, just before we wrap up, it is also really windy here, guys. Windy, it is dangerous on the roadways, and everyone has been telling you this morning. Just stay home, stay indoors, stay off the roads if possible. But again, we are on Long Island from Bethpage. We'll send it back to you guys in the studio.
Yeah, we noticed how windy it was, Jen. It blew your hood right off at the beginning of your live shot there.
Yes.
Yeah, but we love the CBS plug and fully support that advice. Stay home, make some coffee, just hang out and watch us. We'll keep you updated.